YouTube, Soul Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review. Have two packages. One from Ma Maniere and there's one from Social Status, but they're both from the same collection. Ma Maniere is back with their Chapter 2, the Reclamation, I believe it's called, part of their capsule. Let's get into it. Both from Social Status, but from Ma Maniere, okay? As you see, 1, 2, we're gonna review this top one first. Let's go in order. Let's get into it. Just like that. See what we have today. And as you see, we do have a white box. Not your typical Ma Maniere box. I'm not too sure what the story is behind it, but if it deals with Ma Maniere, I'm sure there's plenty of a story. I love this company. I love what they stand for. And we have the white Ma Maniere box with the A logo on it, all over printed. Semi-gloss. You do see a Jordan highlight there. Okay. Also, on the other side, ring. And today we do have the Air Jordan 5 Retro OG Special Project in the white violet ore, size 8. That's right. And again, not your typical Ma Maniere packaging, but I don't care. I need this shoe. Look at the bottom. Beautiful shoe. It did come out. Oh, I like that. Wow. I believe it was the 22nd of July, or at least that's when I purchased it, for $225. And opening the lid, we already have our first touch that Ma Maniere brings to Jordan here. As you see, what a beautiful picture. Love it. On the side, we do have a, I'm not too sure if that's a stamp, but there it is. Box or lid size is 330 by 235 by 120. And again, here's the picture. So to the side for right now, because right now my eyes are on what I'm seeing here. Tissue paper. As always, Ma Maniere is going to do a big. Oh boy. Oh yeah. The shoe. The other shoe comes with a divider. Pretty sweet. Okay. And I want to take a look at this paper. It reads Ma Maniere. Date June 19, 2025. Place Atlanta, Harlem, Houston, Chicago, London, DC. Says this collection embodies commitment to product inspired by the greatest player ever. Number 1, do good. 2, human rights all over, or human rights overall, sorry. 3, you see us and we see you. 4, we need access to a higher standard. 5, we have the right to express ourselves freely. And it says it again. Little beautiful touch. As always, can't say it enough. And on the inside of the box, we do have a QC sticker. Also, YCM sticker. Mine looks like it has a double. Okay, tray size is 330 by 235 by 120, and we do also have that same symbol that's on the lid. Okay, let's get to the real reason why we're here. Unwrap these bad boys. Oof. It's my first time seeing them. Wow. All right. Other shoe. Shoelace. Okay. Oof. And here we have the shoe. Air Jordan 5 Retro. Done up beautifully. In that ore color. It's love that. Just the premium feel on the stitching, on the 2-3 here, on the Nike, on the back. It's, you could tell. Just, oh man. The Ma Maniere A on the netting. It's not your average netting. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it is, wow. Wow. Quilted, as always. Woo. Lace lock. That burgundy touch to it. Man. Bottom. I don't know. This is, look at the toe. A little flaw right there, but you know what? I don't care. Other side. Look at the bubble. Beautiful shoe. That white, just that premium white leather is just, oh wow, on the inside the netting as well. Oh, with the Ma Maniere A logo. And you are going to see the A logo on one tongue and the Jumpman logo on the other tongue. All right, well, let's get into this one. All right, let's see what is inside the shoe. We do have on the tongue. Let's start there. Ma Maniere on the inside of the tongue, as opposed to Air Jordan. We do have the A branding on the tongue as well. Textured. Okay. Like I said, that quilted sock liner. Beautiful. Let's take a look inside. Paper shoe tree as always. Man, as you see the A, it does appear to have the reflective material on it as well. Pretty nice. Look at that. Let's take a look at the inside. The insole also has that Ma Maniere material that's also on the box. It's the pattern that the overall is on the shoe, basically. Pretty nice, textured, embroidered. Look at this. This is wild. Embroidered. Not like your typical, iron on, you wear it a couple times and it rubs off. This thing is literally embroidered on. So if you look at the opposite side, you're going to see it. It's stitched on. It's stitched on, should I say. Stitched on to an insole. Now that's different. Ma Maniere. That's all I got to say. Look at that. That is wild. I love it. Love it. Let's take a look at the inside stitching. Okay. Like I said, on the tongue, the netting, it goes all the way through. You do have that same A logo, Ma Maniere pattern on there. Okay. Little hidden piece right here. Nice little hit right here with this. Beautiful. Not seeing anything else. That is catching my eye. Other than that, it's just a normal Retro 5 with some upgrades. I'm loving this. The premium feel to it is just amazing. Alright. Let's take a look at the other shoe. I'm sure there's some differences. Alright, with the second shoe, I did go ahead and open it up a little bit. We do have the second pair of laces, which looks like it's a sail color lace, which honestly, I don't know. I kind of like the sail. I think the sail or some white ones would go good. I don't know. I do like the black too. I don't know. It's a good touch. Either way, it's good choices to be made there. But I really dig this shoe. But so the other shoe is going to have the Jumpman logo, actually, also with the reflective material as well. And one difference on this one is it is going to have Michael Jordan's signature. The other shoe had Ma Maniere. Okay, as you see. And it also has the A pattern for Ma Maniere. Shoe tree. Quilted sock liner again. You do have the stitched on Nike Air on the insole. Size sticker. Not seeing any difference, and that's, yeah. Other than that, yeah, let's take a look at this tag here, if we can pull it out, and we'll call it. I do have another shoe from the collection. Hopefully, I get that video out soon. But as you see, here's a tag, and these shoes are just they're starting to become harder and harder. Get these damn tags in the videos. Okay. Looks like SZ Factory, date code 11/15/24, 02/11/25. Alright. Man, that was a rough one. I do see the bottom of this one has the A logo as compared to the Jumpman. See? But I am not seeing anything different, anything else. Let me know if I missed something. Comment below. Let me know if you copped. I remember when these did drop, there was plenty of them sitting a couple days even after. I do not know why. These are a beautiful shoe. Love them. As always, if you like today's content, today's video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.